Uhlabe ngolawule lo mkhosi ngoba phela ukuhlula amadoda kuyabikwa yena bendle nsundu nakhe nginakho ngawe enxamalala okokuqala ke ngicacise lokho ukuthi MK iqembu lethu sonke njengabantu abansundu ngizokuveza ke lokhu unxamalala ngoba uke wangipha ithuba lokulumana nawe indlebe umlomo nomlomo ngikubheke eziquni zamehlo njengomuntu omdala ngihabula esikoleni sayingqwele einqolobaneni zasendulo ukuthi ke leli qembu siliqalele ukuthi sikhulule umuntu omnyama ohluphekile nontulayo nongasenalo ithemba kuyisystem nakuhulumeni okhona walesi sikhathi akulona la kwaZuma futhi akulona la khonxamalala ngokuba elethu nenkosi inkosi ngesizwe nalo ke liyiqembu ngenxa ukuthi sikhona ideally besivele sikuvezile wasobala nxamalala ukuthi asiyifuni political party kodwa ke ngenxa ukuthi isystem yanamhlanje ithi sinamalungelo okuvota okuveza uvo lwethu sibe sesivumelana ukuthi ayibe khona iMK njengomkhumbo yokusithwala sonke usesempumelelweni ukube besikwazi nxamalala besingeke sivume kwakuvota besiyothi uma iqalwe iMK njengoba yayisijoyinwa abantu aba more than 12 million esikhathini esifishane ayiveli inikezwe uhulumeni ukuthi uhole ngesizathu sokuthi abantu besebelivezile uvo lwabo losizi nenhlupheko le desperation yokushoda ngekhaya babesha abanye bethi sihambile sawuyifihla ko EFF ngenxa ukuthi besingazi senzeni sesikhathele impatho nenkambo yakwagogo ebingasesempumelelweni obekukhomba ngokusobala ukuthi ngempela iANC captured by cabal and by the capitalist. Therefore it was quite important ukuthi kube khona another organ that will take us to our desired destination of our dreamed South Africa. Ngake ngathi ke nxamalala siyixoxela nje the best strategy we ever introduced was the National Development Plan which was Vision 2030 that is far apart from realization towards the time left for the implementation of those policies so to say. Kodwa ke sinakho nxamalala ukuthi lolu udweshi nokuxokozela okukhona ekhaya kwaMK aku-affect nje wena kuphela ku-affecta thina esizama ukukhuluma nabanye abantu kuba recruitela ukuthi iMK is not a political party but it is home for wonke umuntu onsundu ukuthi ayithole enelungelo lakhe lomhlaba ubuyisiwe nezimbiwa nama beneficiaries azobe khona eNingizimu Afrika. Umgogodla weMK ubungenakho ukudiscussa political policies and political dialogues and contestation kodwa ubungumuntu onsundu ukuthi akakhuluma ngoba bese singasenalo ke iqembu elimele umzabalazo womuntu omnyama bese kusiphoqa ukuthi nanxa sikhala kuwe ukuthi nxamalala ayilungiswe leANC ngoba it's the only vehicle for us ukuthi sikwazi ukufinyelela la esinokuya khona ukubamba umbuso wethu nomhlaba wethu ubuyele kithi nomthetho sisekelo wethu sathi ke nxamalala siyakuzwa ukuthi mhlambe ayibhidlizwe lendlu kwakhiweyo kodwa nanxa besiyakha usihola phambili nxamalala ubuyakhela isizwe futhi ngeyesizwe namhlanje ukuthi sesibe no secretary general abawu7 and akusikhathazi lokho thina kuyasikhathaza nxamalala ngizokuveza ngoba kusiveza sine inconsistency usiveza si incompetent usiveza si non reliable as a result people who want to invest in committing themselves with MK but doubtful of the consistency yethu and ama principles ethu. I would not defend uFloyd bengim appreciator ngimemukele njengomholi in as much as benginakho enginakho ngaye ebengingafisa ukuthi acapacitate kukho especially in terms of being people orientated. I know ukuthi he was informed, he could speak from an informed perspective but I still had those reservations ukuthi uyadinga ukuba umuntu wabantu resonate, understand ama challenges and I understand where we come from. As much as I would have anything nangomunye umholi, as much as I would have some things mhlawumbe ngoJust Klop ukuthi he's competent, he's credible, he's a high profile, probably qualified for his position, but he deals with facts, not with the truth. Why? He's the judge. He judges the case on its merits on the basis of how the facts have been presented to him. But the truth is not the facts, and the facts are not the truth. Those things are different at times, and more often than not, they remain way apart in as much as they look alike, so to say. But konke lokho bengenza ukuthi ngathi uyasoleka kashintshwe this and that. Nokuthi ki MK intsha akekho yaziyo Nxamalala njengoba engekho yaziyo sonke sizoyifunda. Asifundeke ngokulungisana discipline, it's a corrective measure, it's not a punitive measure, so to say that anyone who seems to cross the line would be dealt with decisively and severely so. Ngoba sonke sifuna ukukhula. So thina ke on the ground who remain in debate and dialogues contesting that the existence of MK is beyond and above everyone put together, because it is an idea for generations to come to live in a compact foundation that we have built as the generation of this time through your leadership and guidance, Nxamalala. Sifune MK yakwaZuma, sifune futhi MK yengane kaZuma. Sifune MK yesizwe. Sifuna abantu abasezilalini kwaXhosa bezizwe bebelonga kwi-MK, abantu abaseLimpopo bezizwe bebelonga kwi-MK, abantu abakunoma yiliphi ikhona leNingizimu Afrika, ngisho amazwe angaphandle ethathisele kulokhu i-MK ekwenzile. Siyazi ukuthi amavoti arigiwe, kodwa sine confusion ukuthi kube bengarigwa ngobani bebezobenefit. Was it still gonna be us as the people, or bekuzoba ama-friends of Jacob Zuma? Asifuni i-MK njalo, besingafuni ngisho i-political party, besingafuni ngisho ukuvota, besifuna ukuthatha umbuso suphathe thina ngezandla, sithathe umhlaba wethu, sithathe izimbiwa zethu, sithathe konke okwethu, sibenefitiate ama-resources zethu, sisuse ubupha, sikhiphe ikati eziko, sivale imigwaqo edala ingozi ebulala abantu bakithi, neyibhedlela eyibulala abantu abalinda kuzo. Umuntu efike egula engcono azabe wese esibhedlela azashona isibhedlela singamsizanga. Thina besithi sizolwa nobupha bokuthi wakhuluma imfundo yamahala, nanamhlanje ingane zethu ziyajika ezikoleni ngoba they cannot afford ibuyele emuva. Thina iMK besithi izo resolve ama challenges that have been long existing. Besithi thina ucindezelo ukhongolose as a cabinet yakho obusebenza nayo ebingakuniki ithuba lokuthi izinto ezikhulumayo ukwazi ukuyimplementa successfully masufuna ukuexecute. Thina besibona i-National Development Plan indlela articulated ngayo, sazi ukuthi if this vision can materialize, South Africa can possibly be free. Thina besikuzwa Nxamalala uthi sidinga umthetho olawula abantu baseNingizimu Afrika nenkambo nenkuliso yaseNingizimu Afrika. Ngakho i-constitution ayishintshwe ne-constitutional democracy ayi-abortwe. That's why we stood by you. Any one of us can tomorrow wake up and build a political party that is formidable to change the course of history. But we don't want that. We don't want even all the small parties to appear as a progressive front. We want to demolish them and have one political party ezolwisana noNgxowankulu, ezolwisana neKhabhane, and the MK was that home. Still is. Uma nawe Nxamalala uzozivumela ukuthi sikusole ngoba noma imuphi umholi uyasola. Lokho ke ngakufundiswa uwe ukhuluma eParliament uthi amabhunu nezalukazi zabelungu meyimasha zikutshela ukuthi ngempela idemocracy sikhona. Uma abantu bekugxeka bekubiza ngamagama bekuthuka ungaphenduli, lokho kukutshela ukuthi ngempela idemocracy sikhona. Ngakho ke wonke umuntu nawo lo igunya lokuveza uvo lwakhe. Ngiveza kuvo lwami Nxamalala ngoba ngiyakuthanda futhi ngiyakwethemba. Nawe unamabala akukhoso kake lingenasici, kodwa amabala akhe angcono ukunawo abaningi behlanganisiwe ekulungeni kwabo uphinda ubehlula. Kodwa into engasehlula ngawe Nxamalala ukuthi iMK kuzogcina kuyakaZuma noma kuyabantwana bakho. Lokho ke njengezwe kuyosikhathaza ngoba iMK thina sithe yethu sonke. Namanje sisasinqenqe sizwe ukuthi asisukume sime ngeenyawo. Ngisho ngasithuma ukuthi asambe siye Union Building siyothi umhlonishwa kaphume. Usesehlule isystem enisibophe ngayo yokulinda iminyaka o5 yokuphinda sigqilazwe ayihambisani nathi. Kodwa senze njani ke uma sizolimala nasekhaya? Nxamalala, siyakucela usenzele leli iqembu libe ne-consistency, libe ne-discipline, libe ne-order without you being punitive in nature, ngoba zonke iy'ncwadi igcine iphuma ngokuthi uNxamalala udecide ukuthi nathi lethu leli iqembu nabaholi ababhimbayo siyacela ukubalunga.